Let's take an interesting view of feedback. So, in the comic, we see in the first frame, I like giving clear and direct feedback. Oh, yeah? Does that also mean you like receiving clear and direct feedback? Pause. Well, I'll sandwich your feedback if you'll sandwich mine. Got a deal. First, I don't know of any leaders who would want this conversation to be going on in their organization. So, why does it happen? Well, let's ask a couple more questions. What is the role of feedback? And what is the role of the manager? Because those things are all connected. Dr. Deming gave us two very clear points to consider. One is that the role of the manager is to help people succeed in their role. And the second is to engage those people in working on improving what happens in their role, whether it's processes, their own work, no matter what it is. Those are the two things. Consider Deming's points about psychology for the leader and for managers. Be a coach and a mentor. I personally found that to be much more enjoyable and much more effective than being a sheriff or a prosecutor. Uh, with Deming's approach, it really is pretty simple. When people work together on the work, feedback, conversations just naturally occur. And so they become very authentic. They build voluntary trust. They build teamwork. And that interaction is welcomed because we're working on the same aim, right? So it doesn't have to be a negotiation that ends in a deal, which seems to get in, I know it gets in the way. So the real deal with Deming is this. When we all share the same aim, which is about success, helping each other be successful and achieving the aims of the organization, things start to fall in place. It's better for everyone. And the process of working together on the work is what engages people, retains people, and brings out that intrinsic motivation for each of us to improve our own abilities even more. And it just feels great, and it is great.